I noticed the creature while editing a video. I was making a video for one of my playlists, Cooking with Caine. I was barbecuing right here. I didn't notice anything moving in the loft. You know how, like, if you look at a house and it's daylight, you could look in the windows, but you're not going to really see anything because there's so much light out here. It blows everything out, so you can't see inside the building. That's how it was. Like, the lighting was such that, like, I really didn't notice anything until I was editing. I did hear on several occasions, I heard sounds coming from the barn. I even went over to the barn, went to the downstairs, looked around to see if something fell, and I didn't see anything or hear anything at that time. It was up here, you could see it moving, and if you look at the size difference between me and how big the creature is, it would be massive. It would have to be 7 or 8 feet tall. Like, if you look at me, like, I'm right up here. I'm right here. Okay? The creature, it doesn't look like ever came any. I'm gonna step back. So if the creature's here, look at the size difference between me and what you see on the video. If it's right here, even if it's even like back here, it would be massive. It would be massive. Gigantic. You can tell it's a gigantic creature, whatever it is. I have a turkey breast that I've been brining all day, and I'm going to barbecue it. I'm going to hickory smoke it. I'm going to use my 25-year-old Weber grill here. It's something like that, man. It's really old. I probably should get a new one, but this one's working out fine. I had to start up the coals because I want to get the grill here hot and then take a wire brush to it because there's a lot of rust on it. But if you notice how I have my coals set up, I have coals over here and then there's just rocks over here. So if it starts getting hot, I'll move it over here. And then if I want to add hickory chips, I'll put it in there. If I need more coals, I'll add it in here. I'm looking at it while I'm editing and I'm like, what is that? And then I'm zooming in and it just gets stranger and stranger. Hopefully that'll burn that rust off. Nah, get the brush out. I'll brush it off. I had a barbecue sauce that I was going to use that I bought at Walmart. See, this is where it starts getting weird because you could see a window in the barn right now, but in the next frame, you can't see it. It's covered up. There's something blocking the light coming through the window. There's something in there, and you can sort of see that it's moving. So here's the clip again. I have a turkey breast that I've been brining all day, and I'm going to barbecue it. I'm going to hickory smoke it. I had a barbecue sauce that I was going to use that I bought at Walmart. See, something's moving around up in my barn, so watch this clip. You'll see that you can see the window again. Nothing is in front of the window. Now, the brine that I used for the turkey breast, it was just salt. There was no sugar used, no honey, it's just salt. I brined it for about a day and a half. Then just now, I opted, since there's not any good barbecue sauce, I'm not putting Kraft on it. I opted for squeezing a lemon on it, salt, pepper, garlic, and a little olive oil. Both igneous rocks and sedimentary rocks in my barbecue pit. I'm using them to hold up the grill, and they're exploding from the heat. They're new. Like, usually they've been in there for a while, and they don't do that. So I'm standing back because they're exploding. Now, in this clip, it looks like there's something in the window again. And if I zoom in, I can clearly see it looks very much like a tail. It looks like a tail and a big ass. That bag of hickory chips has been laying by the barn for about over a year, certainly. It's wood. It can't go bad. It'll work. I had some baby potatoes inside. I'm gonna cook them. It's high carb, sure, but I'm going to leave the jackets on. Something just fell on my barn. I got to go check on that. That sounded big. The coals are ready. I'm going to put the turkey on. Put it cavity side down first, and I'm putting it off sort of to the side. Potatoes too, I'm putting off to the side. It's looking pretty good. Oh yeah, look at that. Delish, man. That looks so, that is gonna be so good. Now in that clip, I can see something in the background, and here we zoom in, and you can see its whole figure. Put the lid on it. Maybe check it every 15, 20 minutes, something like that. It's always back a bit. It's always 3.5, 4 feet back. So the creature would have to be 7.5, 8 feet tall, something like that. My dogs are going crazy. I gotta go check on them. The turkey's looking good though. Check it out. Now in this clip, we see the figure. We see a whole figure, a frontal view of whatever this creature is. It's very large. You can see its tail wagging. You can see it shaking its head. Look at that. My turkey's coming along. And as we zoom in, we can see it moving around in the barn in the background. It's a giant creature. I mean, if you consider the size of me to this, this creature would be massive. I don't know, 400 or 500 pounds. It's moving its mouth. Maybe it can talk. I don't know. But did you see its mouth moving? It could talk. It could possibly talk. Look at the turkey's doing. Looking delicious. I'm hungry. I want to eat. Started eating one of the potatoes. Turkey. It's just like a big chicken breast is what it is. Looks good. You know, I heard something in I read something actually, that this notion that white meat is better for you than like beef, it's not true. They proved that to be, it's just as carcinogenic, but it's delicious. What do you want me to say? I like to eat meat. It's delicious. I like beef. I like beef a lot. I know it's not done, but maybe some of the stuff on the outside. I'm starving. I'm starving. Really looking good. I'm starving. I think I'm just gonna use a knife and just start cutting meat off. I don't think that that's even close to being done. It can't be. It's only been on there for. It's a big chunk of meat. Seriously. You can't see it now, but it like walks into view in just a second. See. And then it stays back there. I don't really know what it's doing. I think I do. I think it's checking me out, figuring out what I'm about. But it's in my barn. It's in my barn, and it's been seen, you know, in this area, and it's been seen coming out of my barn too. So you can see it moving around. You can see its tail. It has a huge tail. The tail would be a weapon. It's so big. I mean, it's standing so far back. It's standing so far back. It would have to be at least 8 feet tall, I would imagine. It would have to be something like that. It's gigantic. It's gigantic. Look at it. I mean, maybe it's farther than, maybe it's about 7 feet back at that point. But I mean, if you look at me in this same hayloft window, you'll see such a difference in size, and we do have a really clear view of him coming up. So look at me in the barn and you'll see the size difference. The size of, if you compare me to the size of the creature, you'll see the creature is massive. It would have to be 4 or 5 feet back. I'm right at the front of the window, so this thing would have to be huge. It's massive. Compare this shot of me to this shot of the creature. It's gigantic. Do you see the difference? It's huge. I'm way out here too. the creature would be back 3 or 4 feet. As I was cooking, I wasn't terrified, but now I am. I'm forcing myself to go in the barn. There are trail cams set up in the barn, and I do have footage of that too. It's shocking. You know, when I was first looking at the trail cam footage after I saw this, I'm looking at it and I'm like, it's confusing. I don't really know what to think. I'm not somebody that would believe in the supernatural. I don't really know what to believe. I don't know. I'll show it soon. I will show the trail cam footage of the trail cams that are in the barn soon. It's just real shocking. It is. It's shocking. We're not alone on this planet.